And this is a microphone from UGREEN. We'll be opening it up in a few seconds. As it says, USB desktop microphone, 24-bit, 96 kilohertz. This is the very first time I've opened it, so I've got no idea what it looks like inside. Looks like it's stuck here, but it's stuck on the side here. I'll have to come back and get a knife and open it up. Back in a second. Well, I'm back. I've got my little knife. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Nothing else in the box. How do I get into here? Okay, that opens up. Got cabling in this side. Looks like instruction on the other. There's something else down there. I can't get to it. There it is. Bit of paperwork. So we've got a little bit of paper. User instructions. Desktop microphone. That'll be all the bits and pieces telling you how to use it. Got a cable here. So what have we got? We've got a USB type A to USB type C, and of course the microphone itself. Now, which end is which? It looks like this end. And here we go, that's that. There's still something else in the bag. There we go. That's the guard itself. A little bit of weight to it. Looks quite nice. I'll set it up and test it out. And we've got these little rubber bands on the side, so it acts as a little bit of suspension in there, and the splash guard or spit guard or whatever you want to call it just fits over the top here, snaps in place. So yeah, pretty impressive. You've got a little thing here where you can actually tighten it and reposition the microphone to wherever you want. You've got a volume control on the bottom, and that's pretty well everything to see here. There's nothing more, and we'll plug it in. It's got a soft base, so that's pretty good. We'll see what it sounds like in a few seconds. As you can see, I've got the UGREEN USB mic CM581 as my primary input. We've got over here, this is running through a webcam. And again, the mic is brilliant. It's crystal clear. So if you're gaming, it's excellent. The person at the other end can hear what you're saying with extreme clarity. It's great if you're going to do a YouTube video perhaps and you need a voiceover. The mic is perfect for that. Great for video conferencing in general. So what can I say about it? I love it. I like these little rubber suspension posts down the bottom so the microphone can bounce around. So if it's sitting on the desk, it doesn't get that sort of clicky sound when you move the mic. It is directional, which means it's pointing at you. You're getting maximum volume. So as you turn it to the side or to the back, the volume will drop away, as you can hear. At the very bottom, you have a volume switch, so you can actually rotate it. Drops down, go the other way, volume increases. You have a button at the bottom, you press that and it changes the color. And it goes through a cycle and then eventually goes to black, but the mic is still on. Press it again, back to color. If you press the top button, it will mute the mic. Well, I'm not going to press that because you won't hear me. Do I recommend this microphone? You bet. It's a brilliant mic. It's definitely got a thumbs up from me. It surpassed my expectations, and I've been using it for a while now. So, yep, if you want to get a mic that's not going to cost an arm and a leg and works perfectly, this is the one to get.